Hi guys, welcome back to Input Plus. Today's video is an unboxing of a set of RGB lights. It's a 4-pack from Azza, A-Z-Z-A, Azza Hurricane 2. They are digital RGB fans. They're all 120 millimeters. Like I said, there's 4 of them. So what I'm planning to do is further enhance this computer, Ryzen build. It's got 2 LED fans up front. We're going to replace that with the RGBs. And right now there's one top exhaust fan we're going to replace, but I have room for 2. So we're going to have 2 up top, 2 up front, with similar rainbow style RGB, I hope. I haven't seen it yet in action, so we're gonna do that today and brighten up the inside of this PC. Now, as you can notice, I already have a Gamdias Cheon RGB all-in-one cooler, and if you want to watch that video, that you can watch that. I think it's up here on this side, or is it this side? Anyway, click on that and you will see that video. So we're gonna unbox this today, but before we do that, don't forget to subscribe to Input Plus. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and give me your comments. Okay, so let's see. Start the unboxing. Okay, first thing we see seems like an accessories box. Oh, what it is the remote control. Let's take it from the resealable pouch. Kind of neat. Okay. Next to that, a Molex connector and the RGB 5-volt connector for your motherboard. Okay, and it's got a safety cover. That's a good touch. Set that aside. And then we have the user manual, handy because I don't think I've installed multi-fans before. And we have 4 sets of 4 screws per bag for the 4 fans, obviously. And then what's left are the fans. So we'll open one of them, which will represent obviously the rest. So I'll set this aside. So here we go. There's one of the fans. Let's take it out of the packaging. Now each fan looks like it. It's a nice construction. Hard plastic around. Then the corners where the screws attach is rubber. So it should be resilient, you know, if you install it, move it, uninstall and whatnot. So let's undo this. Okay, so for the connectors, there's the 4-pin PWM connector for your board. If you're using the fan individually, I believe, then there's a 5-pin RGB connector to the board. And then the one with the cover is the female counterpart of the RGB. So from what I can, I'm sorry, this is the male counterpart. And that's probably when you're trying to daisy chain a whole bunch of these. In our case, of course, that applies because we're going to daisy chain all of them through the RGB connector, then terminate it at the motherboard side. So only one connects to the motherboard, of course, and then you can control the whole chain of lighting. As far as the power goes, there's one 4-pin for every fan. So it looks like I might need a fan extender in this situation. So I think I have the particular one for that, but we will see what happens because I think I have room for all 4 positions on the board. So I might be okay. I might be short one, but nevertheless, we'll make it work. So, enough with the talk. Let's see what it looks like. Hi guys, welcome back. It's finished. I've got all 4 lights or 4 fans with the RGBs installed. Again, it wasn't as straightforward as I thought. I messed around with the RGB header on the motherboard. I guess unless the motherboard BIOS, has a full-featured section for the lights and everything works. I found out some of the features did not work properly, so I ended up going with the remote control that came with the 4 fans. I think this was the saving grace. I have it on auto. There are 366 modes, and I wasn't willing to go through all of those, so I've just got it on random. Let it run for like that for a while. I just like the rainbow colors. I can make it solid colors. These are the solid choices, and then hit auto after that if I get bored with it. So another bonus which I kind of liked was my Gambias was having the same trouble with the ASRock motherboard BIOS. So I daisy chained the 5-volt RGB addressable for the Gambias on with the fans, and then now the Gambias is in sync with the remote for the fans. So that's a bonus because now they all function the same. The lights displayed are the same. Good thing because the Gambias was addressable RGB as well. So that's about it. I don't think there's 2 fans up here, and it's not emitting. I can adjust the brightness later on if I really wanted it to do so. But that's it. I don't think there's any more that I would like to do. I still have the 5-volt addressable open on the motherboard and the 12-volt addressable. And if I go nuts, I can add RGB strips, and I'll add the lighting at the bottom of the case. As you can tell, it's kind of dark in this section, so but that's in the future. I guess I'll give it a rest for a while. So that's about it. Don't forget to subscribe to Input Plus. I would really appreciate that. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and go RGB. Bye.